Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing school lunch ideas for kids. Make your kids' lunchbox more interesting and attractive, and they will eat it without any fuss. And I hope you will find this video useful. Now let's get started. If you are looking for nutritious ideas that children will actually enjoy and eat, just give this recipe a try. This is zucchini stuffed with meat and rice. Instead of zucchini, you could also use bell peppers and eggplants. Instead of meat, you can also use cottage cheese. Kids will love it and they will eat it without any mess. I'll share the link for this recipe in the description box below. Let's pack the lunch box. If your kids are fussy eating fruits, give them in an attractive way. For a change, you can keep watermelon balls. Just scoop it in a scooper or a spoon. Fresh yogurt and pomegranate to have with stuffed zucchini. Healthy and nutritious recipe which will keep them energetic throughout the day. And I hope you like this video. Do share it with your family and friends. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.